Hey everyone, welcome. This is IT-Training.pro and you're watching the introduction of our Microsoft official course 70-7440 Installation, Storage and Compute with Windows Server 2016. So with our online training, you will receive an official Microsoft course delivered by Microsoft partner. The training is delivered by Microsoft certified trainer, and this training should prep you for successfully passing Microsoft certifications on Windows Server 2016. IT-Training.pro guarantees successful journey through the certification program with our online training. As you already know, Microsoft has two certifications, the MCSA, the Microsoft Certified Solutions Associate, and MCSE, Microsoft Certified Solution Expert. This training is the official course for Microsoft Exam 70740 Installation, Storage and Compute with Windows Server 2016. IT-Training.pro is proud to offer all of the exams 740, 741 and 742 for the official certification program. With our online training, you can be successful and pass all of the required exams for the MCSA Windows Server 2016 certifications. And so far we've trained almost 1,000 of students with our online trainings or video trainings for Windows, Linux, and so on and so forth. You can also take our online training for exam 70743, upgrading your skills to MCSA on Windows Server 2016. It's part again of the official trainings here at IT-Training.pro. This course 740, it's intended for IT professionals that has some level of experience working with Windows Server 2016 and they want to certify it for Windows Server. This course will help updating your knowledge on Windows Server with all the latest technologies that Microsoft introduced in the 2016 version. So everyone that has knowledge on Windows Server, everyone that has worked on the IT field or has general IT knowledge is a successful candidate for this online training. I assure you that we'll cover everything you need to know for the certification and for your day-to-day IT skills and all the required administrative skills and knowledge to operate with Windows Server 2016. After successfully completing this course, you'll be able to install Windows Server 2016, including Server Core. You should know how to plan and upgrade Windows Server upgrades or migrations. Describe the various storage options, the type of disk that you can use with Windows, or the supported file systems. Also, we'll cover enterprise storage like SAN or NAS. We'll also implement storage spaces or data deduplication. Then we'll find out how Hyper-V works, how we can configure storage and networking, how we can create and run virtual machines. We'll also discuss on how to manage Windows and Hyper-V containers, how to work with Docker. Then we'll move to high availability disaster recovery, then create and manage failover clusters, working with Hyper-V and failover clusters, working with network load balancers. Then we'll discuss create and manage deployment images, WDS, Microsoft deployment tools, and finally we'll complete this training with manage, monitor and maintain virtual machines. So module 1 is install, upgrade and migrate Windows Server and workloads. Module 2 is local storage. In Module 3 we'll cover enterprise storage solutions. Module 4 and 5 are storage spaces, data deduplication, and install and configure Hyper-V and virtual machines. Then we'll discuss Hyper-V containers in Module 6, disaster recovery and high availability in Module 7. Module 8 is all about failover clustering and working with failover clusters in Hyper-V. Module 10 is implementing network load balancing. Of course, Module 11, managing deployment images, and finally, in the last module, we'll cover how we can manage, monitor, and work with virtual machines. With IT training, we provide hands-on lab experience with all the official lab related to this course, and you can get this as part of our online or classroom-based trainings. But of course, if you want a video training, you can combine it with a hands-on lab by purchasing some of the hands-on lab offerings, including the offering for this online training. There are also various promo packages that you can discover in our website. There you can get the online training as part of a package set with huge discounts that no one else offers. Also, you can check our websites for news, offerings, new trainings, our educational portal where you can discover all the various training resources available for your course, our Facebook page, our LinkedIn or Twitter. You can follow us on any of them so that you can check out all the latest offerings, all the feature or scheduled classes for our online training courseware. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you subscribe for our online training on Windows Server 2016. I hope you can get certified with us and that you'll be one of the successes in IT training.